today, and they are Daniel Telisman, Jessica Lee, Kia Thomas, Michael Howard, Nick Derby, and Travis Freeman. And among our visitors here today, we have some members of the Young Marines. And the Young Marines are committed to leading a drug-free lifestyle. They range from ages 8 to 18, and the leader of the Young Marines is a high school classmate of mine and a fellow Marine, Doc Lee. Kenny Lee, I'd like to stand up and acknowledge you for all the good things that you've done for the young people that are part of the Young Marines in Ashtabula. Okay, you want to call our first graduate up? We're going to have some exit interviews that we're going to hand out, and I would like those graduates to perhaps direct some of their remarks towards the young Marines who are in the courtroom, and perhaps talk a little bit about that as their experience and the effects of drug court. We have some drug court graduates here. Good to see some of you. I haven't seen you for a while, but you're all looking good, and I hope you're all doing well. So Dan Telisman, come on up, Dan.
First off, I want to thank you guys for giving me the second opportunity in life and showing me that there are people out there that do care. It's been a very rough road for me, and I'm going to take everything that I've gained from the drug court program through IOP and use it in my daily life, and hope just to be successful.
Dan, you have come a long way. Because when we met, I think I probably had some kind of harsh words for you. You remember that? Yeah. And those words were not for effect, because I really meant it. Right. Because you had some issues, and I was just, you're a hard worker.
Yes.
I mean, you're very hard worker, and job-wise, employment-wise, and you've been that since you've been in drug court. I guess, could you say just how do you feel now compared to how you felt when you came in here about in December 2012. You've been with us for over a year and a half. You had a couple sanctions along the way, but that's part of this treatment. There's sanctions, and you've done well.
At the beginning, I just had that attitude of I don't care, prison don't scare me, I'll go if that's the case. Throughout my journey of drug court, I just realized there's more in life that I have to be there for. I have a son during this program, and he's my main priority in life now. I feel great today. When I wake up in the morning, my thoughts ain't, how am I going to go get high now?
It's how you're going to look after your son.
Right.
And we've seen that's a change we've all seen. We've all remarked on that.
So it's just, I just have to take what I learned and keep using it.
Kathleen?
We got a coin to remember us.
And what does the coin say?
Change your thinking, change your life.
And on the other side it says, well done.
All right. Way to go. All right.
I am handing Dan, since he was a post-conviction graduate, a judgment entry signed by Judge Mackey that effectively discharges him from supervision and community controls successfully. So congratulations.
Jessica Lee. Well, okay, Jessica, you've been with us since December 2012, so there are little glitches here and there. One thing I will say is that you have been such a hard worker as far as looking after yourself and your family during this program. We've really been proud of you. You've done a wonderful, wonderful job. You are now the class valedictorian. That means you can make a speech, so let's hear it.
Since I've been in this program, when I came into this program, I didn't have custody of my children. I gained custody back. I worked full-time job, 60 hours a week at least, and I mean, I'm grateful for being in trouble. I'm so nervous. I'm so grateful.
Good. Done wonderful. Nick?
Well, Jessica, as county prosecutor, it is my honor to be giving to you a dismissal order signed by myself which dismisses effectively with prejudice, meaning it cannot be refiled against you, the charges of trafficking in heroin and possessing criminal tools as a result of your successful completion of our drug court. Congratulations.
Kia Thomas. Well, Kia, you are our youngest graduate. 21? 22. All right. Okay. All right. You were with us, you started in May 2013, so you've been with us a short period of time, which means that you haven't had any sanctions or any violations. You have been, since you've been in, you've not missed a beat. Everything has gone just the way we want things to go from the standpoint of drug court. And you also have been a very hard-working person, working 2 different jobs. Yeah, still managing to do the routine of drug court. So we really commend you for that. You're fulfilling your capability, and you were a good student. You are now the valedictorian of this class, so please make your statement to all folks.
I'd really like to thank drug court. This is probably the best decision I ever made. I think that if I hadn't, I probably would have still been out using, because, I mean, after I got out of the hospital, I didn't really know what to do or who to talk to. So getting into drug court really helped me reach out to people, get a support group, and learn how to do things the right way. And I think if I hadn't, I probably wouldn't be here.
Yeah. Congratulations.
Kia, on behalf of myself and Judge Mackey, I'm now giving you a dismissal judgment entry that dismisses with prejudice the felony charge of aggravated possession of drugs.
over there in the jail, and I went to dying. I never want to put my family through that again. And I want to be a good father when the baby's born. And also I want to thank, secondly, Laker Recovery Center. You know, that I've been with them since I was 17 years old, and they've only tried to push me toward this way of life that I'm living. And, you know, especially Jason, my counselor, I want to thank him. I learned a lot from Laker Recovery Center. The whole drug court team, I want to thank them for just pushing me. I just really am truly grateful, and I couldn't say in words, you know, how much thankful I am to the drug court team and this program.
Very good.
Your aggravated possession of drugs felony charge is dismissed. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And our final graduate, Travis Freeman. So Travis, you've been with us since February 2013. I'd say you got your life back. And maybe you'd like to tell us in your valedictory speech here.
I've been in this program. I got custody of my son every other weekend. You guys thought I'd be a father. No, I've got a kid.
You brought your son to drug court quite a few times.
Yeah, I mean,
He's right there too.
yeah, he's over there. You know, I got the right from I got to learn myself how to raise a kid. And, you know, I got my job back, my family back. You know, my parents can sleep at night. I'm very thankful for everything you guys have done. Like Berkeley, please start this whole thing. Appreciate everything you've done. And Jason, he's helped me a lot. Appreciate everything.
Right.
Travis, your charge was a little different than everybody else's. Yours was breaking and entering.
I'm still high on it.
You were high when you did it, right? So it's a felony charge, and it's been dismissed. Congratulations.
You all entered drug court while I was county prosecutor, and I'm now retired. Nick has taken over, so I feel like kind of a grandfather. You've earned now the opportunity to live meaningful lives. You have children on the way. Nothing more satisfying than doing a good job as a father or as a mother, because family is everything.
It's who you choose to hang around with. It's who you choose to surround yourselves with that will tell you about your future. And to surround yourselves with good people, people who have lives that are fulfilling. Do not go back to the old ways. Don't, please.